Hey guys, it's me Chandrian, and today I want to do the unboxing and review about the Kraken Ultimate headset. It's been a long time I didn't do a giveaway, not giveaway, I mean unboxing. So yeah, let's try it. This is still unsealed, still sealed, so I have to cut it though. Okay, I will be right back after I cutting this. Okay, finally, it's kind of stick. A bit hard. Wait, yeah. Here's. What is this? Oh, so just like, oh, I understand. Just like you kind of open like you open like this. Oh, that's nice. So let's take it. Is it quite heavy? I'm not sure. Heavy. Yeah, there's the headset here. Let's see what we can get. Look, nothing important. It's nothing else. That's it. I tried to take it, but I don't think it can be taken. It's only that's it. Yeah, there's nothing else. Oh yeah, pretty simple. And there's like I don't know how to say, like the cushion in here to protect the headset. So yeah. Oh yeah, let's take a look. It's actually very simple. There's nothing else. There's only these two. I guess let me make it clear. Yeah, that's it. Only these two. Pretty clear. It's very simple. This is very simple unboxing that I ever did. So yeah, but the test, I'm not sure. It is quite heavy. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's like yeah, I haven't shown actually the how is it. So it's just like there's like the limbs in here, and I guess there's a button in here. I'm not sure. I have to figure out. I really didn't do any research. There's a Razer in here, I guess. Yeah, yeah, Razer. On Razer in here. Yeah, there's logo. Pretty much very simple. It's very old color, blackish color things. So, yeah, the menu, there's like you can read what I don't know what like sound just important, blah 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 and blah 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 and just like. Oh yeah, by the way, nothing important, but inside the book there's a sticker. As usual, when you buy a Razer, you know, right? You will get this sticker all the time. So you're, oh yeah, you can or you can adjust actually here also. Pretty much same like another headset. So, yeah, you can adjust according to your headset. So. Yeah, so if anyone asks how about the material and the durability stuff, I have to say, but the durability, the couple of things that you have to pay attention in here, on top in here, because I think it's made on from leather, so it's pretty easily to get scratched. So just be careful. And here, I think all the headset, also the cushion in here, usually made from the leather, right? Here, so it's pretty. I mean, pay attention because it will be easily to get scratched. But on top of that, it's pretty nice build because in this is made from metal or yeah, something like that, metal build. So it's pretty hard, so you don't really have to worry if it's kinda get scratched or other stuff. But yeah, only these two that you have to pay attention. It's getting easily to scratch. By the way, let's put on test in here. How's the feeling in here? Well, let's try. Okay, it's pretty much quite comfortable for me. Nothing much else. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable, I have to say. But I can feel there's like weight in here. Maybe because of LED, it makes a little bit heavier and stuff. The chroma things make it heavier. Is it tight or not? I don't think so. I think it's all just fine. In here, I think it's a little bit kind of have a pressure, maybe a tight. I don't know if the other people that have a different shape. I think this maybe could be smaller, I guess, but I'm not sure. But in here, this is the max extension that I already did, and it's already hit my top. And yeah, if you use glasses, it have a little pressure in here, but it's not that not comfortable or something. It's just like you can feel it's a little bit pressure in here, but yeah, everywhere else is pretty enjoyable. Yeah, and the smell is like, the smell of Razer. If you have like the mouse and other stuff, you will know the smell of Razer. You can smell very well because this is new also. And then yeah, it's this LED, and let's put on test with the software. Yeah, so this is about the software. The software called is the Razer Synapse. Yeah, that's called that. So yeah, actually, when you plug in the headset, it will be download automatically for the software, so you don't have to really to worry. But just in case if you want to download manually, it's a Razer Synapse. So yeah, I don't know how to pronounce. So yeah, in here in the audio is there's like a sound in here. It's just like simply it's same. Just want to just volume that you want to hear. And this is the interesting part that there's a three different mode: the stereo, surround mode, and game mode. Game mode I'm not really sure because I haven't tried yet. So I already tried stereo and surround. Uh, and stereo, how I this is kind of hard to describe because this is something that I can only hear personally, right? So I just can describe the best that as best as I can. So stereo is just like the feel when you use earphone, and it's just like the sound is just like everywhere, just like wildly everywhere. When you try to activate the surround sound, it's kind of like when you hear like 8D music, like and when you can find the YouTube something like that, the 8D one, so it kind of like turn around something like that, so it feel like it keep moving. So yeah, something like that. So I can give example when I play games like Genshin Impact. When I move the cursor like different angle, it will be kind of, the sound is kind of like keep turning around something like that. So it's pretty like uh 80 80 or something like that, so it's pretty nice. So it's absolutely better than a stereo. But if you want to hear like nothing to make you confused, yeah, stereo is still the basic one. And there's a mixer that you can even I mean customize by yourself. So you can choose surround sound or stereo, so it's up to you. So yeah, it's just like according to your taste. You can even do the calibration in here. So so yeah, something like that, so you can feel. So also there's a TSX special audio. It's actually another output, so I can show you in here. When you use the headset, there's a two option. You want from the speaker of the Kraken Ultimate, or you want the one that from the THX special, but it's recommended in here. That's why it's much better. So if you want to customize like this one in here, you have to activate this one. It's so you cannot use the Razer Kraken one. You have to use this one. So that's why I keep using. So just use this one. And then enhancement, you can use bass if you like. If you really bass, just make high. I don't really type a typical person that really like bass, so I just normal. Sound normalization is kind of make I don't know how I feel it's I activate because I kind of love it. It feel like more clear. Voice clarity somehow I a little bit not really understand. It's somehow similar with stereo, like stereo when you active the stereo. I'm not sure. So it's kind of, I don't know how to say. I don't really like it personally, but you can just try it. And it's really hard to describe, guys, because this is something that only I can hear, because when you hear in the desktop itself, it will be just a normal sound. So yeah, that's how I feel. And also the equalizer, I'm not really understand about equalizer, so I'm so sorry. But I think for some people that really understand this, I think it will be very important. And then of course lightning in here. Lightning, you can have a quick effects which is only static. Static is only one color, so chroma studio is more complicated. So let me open. So in here, because I have my another mouse, so you can even customize with your mouse. Yeah, it's a lot of customization, but I really like statics. I don't know why, because maybe I kind of don't really like typical changing stuff like that. So I put orange, so you can just feel free to choose the effect. And now, let's have put on test with the mic. Currently, I talk with the uh my I forget the name. My webcam or mic Logitech C, my microphone from C922 Pro Stream webcam. You can try to hear my voice like this. This is I already use filter like noise suppression and stuff, so maybe the sound's a little bit better. So yeah, this is couple sample that I took. So all the way that I took, I used the C922 Pro webcam. So let's have a test with the Razer one.
Now I'm using the mic, so you can hear that it's pretty clear, right? Compared to my webcam Logitech C922 microphone itself. It's not really that clear. This is much better. You can hear pretty clear. I mean, it's pretty good if you want to use like join Discord, talk with friends, like play other game like League of Legends, something like you want to talk in Discord, whatever it is. It's pretty clear. But of course, if you're planning to become a full-time streamer, like content creator or other stuff, like you want to really into it, like 100% you're really into it, I think you have to invest with different, I mean, a standalone mic itself, like another USB mic, stuff like that, or something like much better because of course it's we can tell the difference. It's still much more clearer compared to this, but overall experience, if you just like a part-time also you want to spare time to stream, can be a good option because you get a two in one, like you get a good headset and you can get another mic also that much more clear compared to the webcam itself, I have to say. I think some of the complaint in here is sometimes you still can hear the clicking sound. I already tried to adjust in this microphone setting, dim in mic. I think this is the best setting that I can do because if I increase the sensitivity to high, the clicking will be very loud. I already tried. And then of course the focal clarity I will be making high, and normalization I just do 50-50. It's just up to you. You can just read if you don't understand. It's just like consistency. So loud noises. That's why just choose 50. So yeah, I think this is the best that I can do. And don't forget to activate the noise cancellation, sorry, cancellation, and yeah, this one. Just activate everything. And yeah, I think this is the best. But the downside is, yeah, I have to highlight the mic is sometimes if you're kinda breathing like or you kinda like or something pronunciation that need breathing like uh like something like that, it will kinda, you can hear something it just like didn't filter 100%, I have to say. So that's another downside. And yeah, the clicking sound you can still hear, but I think it's kind of hard. Even sometimes you use the normal mic, it's the mic monitoring side tone is basically you can just hear your own voice but without any enhancement. So yeah, I don't want to activate it. It will be very crowd, so I don't want to activate. But overall it's pretty enjoyable, I have to say. For the mic, I really like the mic. Right now, this is not something related to the headset itself. I mean, it's related, but not related with the computer or a software. But I just have to say, if someone asks, can you use in your phone or this headset? Because it's only USB, right? As we know, it's only USB. So I have to say, you can do it. So what you need is actually you need the, I don't know what it's called. It's like USB-C to become USB. Simply just like plug it in here. Like I'm using my Samsung phone, so I just connect here.
Just simply take this one USB. Sorry, I changed the mic. I forgot you can use the mic while active it. You're just using in here. Just plug in. And oh, sorry, other side. And then I think hopefully you can hear the sound. Yeah, hopefully you can hear that.
Yeah, so it works for the phone, so that's surprisingly nice. I thought it will not work, although you already use one. So this one actually it works. It's like not that it's not that portable, and you cannot even use while charging. So I'm not sure for the iOS stuff. So let's have to the conclusion about this headset. Actually, Razer Kraken Ultimate. For me, the pros is of course it's very good if you're a PC user. You want to use in like Discord, uh, playing games and stuff. It will be very good. But on the other hand, the cons is it's actually still not portable. I already show you can even use this, but what happened when you didn't bring this? It's just useless, right? So it's not really that portable. You cannot bring where anywhere, and it's actually pretty heavy, I have to say. It's not like something you can bring like traveling. And other that, second is the quality of mic is good. The sound very nice. I have to say there's a lot of you can, and that's the continuation is the wide customization. You can even choose the mode. You want a stereo or you want the special sound and surround sound gaming mode and stuff. You want even to change the lighting. It's very cool. I mean, the aesthetic is very nice. Not really that worth for money, but because I get this because of discount, I really love discount. So get cut almost like 50%, almost 50% in the store that iPhone in my official store in my country. That's why I feel it's totally worth. But I don't know if you pay the full price. I'm not sure because the price in here for the if you compare to the maybe Arctis Pro and a different headset gaming that I think I heard in the review is much better, and the price I think for the full price of this is maybe not really that different, not much different. So I guess it's kinda I don't know is it worth or not. Just like depends on you, but I don't think so personally it will be worth if it's as a full price. But because I got in the half almost half price, it's totally worth. That's why it's a different term. I don't know. So it's just back on you. Overall, I have to say the sound is good. I really like. The sound is amazing. For gaming and music, probably I can give 8.5 also. I like it. Sorry, it's 8.5 for me. And then mic is pretty good, but I also say to you guys, if you want a professional streamer, content creator, you need a better mic. So there's still a lot of better mic. So it's pretty just 8 something like that, 7, 8. So I just give 8. The feature is really nice. I really like the customization is a lot. The lighting is cool. A lot of things that you can do with stuff with these apps, especially. It's very interesting, I have to say. The feeling is quite okay. The only complaint is it's a little bit can feel the heavy in here because the chroma, I guess. So portability, of course not. It's not portable. It's price. I already told to you guys again. It's back to you. Overall, I give a 7.2, 7.3, something like that. Yeah, if just make it 7.5 then. But for the estimate people review, I guess if I count like bias and stuff, maybe I can bias. Some of people may review 6, or maybe some of people that really nice want to give 8. So it's something like that. Overall, it's quite enjoyable. I mean, if you already pay for this one, you will not feel regret or anything. It's still enjoyable. It's still acceptable. It's not kinda you have a big loss or something. It's still acceptable. I mean, even though you mean later you find a better headset, maybe in the future, this is still acceptable. Yeah, so that's pretty much that's it. This yeah, this is quite decent. I have to say decent. If I have to rank, it will be a medium tier. Of course, there's still a lot of better headset, which is the more premium price, like a Razer, like I forgot the name, Razer Nari and other I think Logitech Pro and Arctis Pro, SteelSeries Arctis Pro. I think they will be much better, I guess, but the price, of course, you have to pay more. Hopefully I will see you in another video. If you like, you can hit the subscribe button and like. So I will see you again in another video. Bye.